Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you about the new update in the app HIPAINT. So HIPAINT have recently updated the app and there are few changes that is happening here. So I'm going to show you what are they, and if there is any new tools added I will also mention about that. So here, when it comes to opening the canvas, it's more or less the same. So everything here is almost same, nothing new. And when you click on this new artwork, also this panel where we can create or choose any canvas, which is also same, or if you want to custom size, that's also possible. Nothing no new here. And when I click on any canvas, I'm getting like this. So the old UI and the new UI. So the old user interface and the new interface. So if you are more comfortable with the old one and if you don't want to try the new one, then you can simply click on this old UI and just you can continue use that. And if you don't want this prompt to come again when you are creating a new canvas, then you can click on this don't remain again. And if you want to try the new one, then definitely click on this new UI. So the new user interface is going to be a quite different experience because the appearance and the tools arrangement, everything changed here. So yeah, now I'm going to try the new interface. So I'm clicking on this confirm, and you can see few changes here, but not no total change. And if you want to check in deep, you cannot find any new tools here because no new tools added here, anywhere here or here, nothing new here. I checked everything, and but there is a change in the appearance and a little bit variation in the arrangement of the tools or where it was before. So here I'm going to address those things. So first of all, the first thing is the canvas is same. You can see undo redo, which I guess it was before here. So that came down here, and if you check this one, it was already here, so no changes in that. And if you click on this, I think it was not here before, I guess so. So if you click on this, you will get this option. Like if you don't want to go for each and every step, if you don't want to go and create a new layer, all those things, just you can use this option. Like you can add what are the tools or features that you use more often, you can simply add here, and just in one click you can do that. So if you want to add those things here, then just click on this, and we are on the first section, and long press, they have given us long press. And if you want to add any of these features, you can add one by one. So for example, like I use alpha lock more often. Before in HIPAINT it was mentioned as transparent pixel lock, and now they changed that to alpha lock. So I'm clicking on this alpha lock and long press here. What else I use a lot? Maybe duplicate layer and long press, then clear layer. So likewise you can add more features here, and you have 3 sections in each, you can add many of those. And but the option they have given is very few in this, but still if you want to add all those things, you can simply add. Like if I want to duplicate this layer, you can see just 2 layers here, and if you want to duplicate, just click on this, go to this duplicate, and now one more layer is added. So likewise you can easily do that. So this is helpful, I guess. And when it comes to top panel, you can find something different. So here extra 2 features available, nothing new. They have just shifted panel from here to here. Basically, when in the old user interface, you can find when you click on this three dot, in the first section you will have these animation assist, all those things, horizontal flip, all those things, and there comes the second panel and the third panel. In the second panel you will have the Gaussian blur and bloom, all those things, and on the third panel you will have the option to export as PNG, JPG and PSG. So all these thing has shifted to here. So now when you click on this three dot, we just have that first panel, and if you want to just add Gaussian blur, all those things, then here you can see, click on this, all those things which are available here before is shifted to here, and now everything is same, the way they work, everything is same. So just they have splitted that panel and arranged it here, so nothing else new. And if you want to export the artwork or as JPG, PNG, anything, then you don't have the option here, so it's moved to here. When you click on this share option, you can find export PNG, JPG, all those things. So that's the changes in this three dot. And when it comes to color, I don't know how the color panels come here before, I don't have any idea, but now maybe you might have noticed, but I have not noticed this one. But now when you double click on this, you'll get this color bar, color palette we can call, and if you just click on that once again, it will disappear, and when you double click on that, you will get this color. You can choose from that. So just long press that and you can select any color that you want. And when it comes to color palette, here everything same again. I think same thing was going on here. Maybe I guess there was only color palette, this color palette which was before, like a memory color palette, and now they have added basic colors. Nothing else new, everything looks like same. And like before there was a three dot, and if you want to add a new color palette, then you have to click on that, add new color palette, something like that. And here they have given us plus, and if you want to import any color palette, then you can click on this import option. It will redirect you to the file section, and there you can import. Basically I don't have any color palette for right now, and if I found anything like that, if I downloaded anything like that, I will let you know in a new video about how to import that color palette inside your HIPAINT. So that's about the color, and there's a huge difference in the way the layer panel looks. So layer panel, there were so many options here going on before, and now it's only for like new layer, but it's new group. They have to mention it as group, but by mistake I think they have given us new layer, because for creating new layer it should be just clicking on this plus, you'll get the new layer. So there is no need to click on this for creating new layer, because it's for creating group. When you click on this layer group, they have mentioned this group, so basically it's going to create a new group. And stamp all, like layer stamp means it's going to merge all the layers together and create a single artwork of PNG. For example, like I have done something on this layer, then on the second layer I'm doing something like this, and on the first layer I'm having this. So we have 3 different colors on 3 different layers. And now when I click on this stamp all, everything merged into a single layer, and if you even make it invisible, you can see that options, you can see that layer. So basically it just merged all these layers together. And the other than that, when you click on a layer, you'll have like copy, which means duplicate layer, merge layer, lock transparent before, lock transparent pixel before, and now it's renamed to alpha lock layer, everything export as PNG, everything is same on the blending mode is same. but the way the panel looks, it's a little bit different. It is elongated now. So other than that, it's everything same. And now if you want to add any more tools here, then they have given an option. Click on this. Here you can just customize what are the tools that should be appearing here. So for example, before we had like merge all layers option and mainly those things, and group down option, it was there. And so yeah, merge, if you want, you can add merge all. Then for lock layer, all those things is up, you'll get here separately, so we don't need to add that, but basically we need a merge all option, so something like that. So if you want that thing, you can add and click on this tick. Now you will get the option here. So that's about the layer. And again, similar to that, here for the brushes and eraser, they have changed a little bit, and they have shifted some brushes from one section to another section. I majorly noticed, like in ink section there was a ballpoint pen brush, and they moved that from this to writing. So in writing now we have that ballpoint pen brush and bleed brush, everything. And here before there was a three dot where we can just click on that, copy this brush, duplicate in a new group, and we can create a new brush from that. And now we don't have that three dot option. Instead, if you want to add, just click on this customize option. Here we have that copy brush and all this thing. So just click on this copy brush. Here we have. Now when you click on this copy brush and go to some other section, that same copy brush is turned into a paste brush option. Just click on that and that will be pasted here. So that's about that, adding new tools or the tools that you more often use. So that appears here. And if before there was only icons visible, and the name of that icons were not visible, and if you don't want that thing to be visible, then you can switch off this. So title display, so like this. Okay, so this title for each and everything will be displayed separately here. So that's about this brush. And also same works for the eraser. If you want to add new features, just click on this customize option and you can customize from this panel. Now other than that, quite same features like blending, blur, smudge tool, then lasso. Again, here for the lasso they have given us two separate panels. Before it was like this, and when you click on this you will get the like add lasso, clear selection, all these things will appear here. Now it is appearing as a separate section or a panel, like you can move it anywhere if you want. And if you close that, it will get closed. Now you can see everything is same. For each and every tool it will appear like this. You can see for invert they have given few more options inside. So like this you can use this tool, nothing new here again. And liquify was, I think, with these tools or with these tools, but now they have given a separate tool here in the panel. So just you can use them. So that's about the liquify tool. Bucket tool, everything same. Here everything same. Text, so text panel also looks almost same, nothing new here. Okay, so it's not able to process. Okay, now, and as I told before, this panel from here to is moved to here, and then to export you can use this, and to save you can use this save to save the file. So basically the new user interface of HiPaint is all about making changes in the appearance, then adding new features to it. So yeah, hope this video will be useful for you, and if so, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.